Closer drama is written in the dramatic form. It has the dialogues, it has the stage setting, but it is not performed on the stage as it is intended by the author to be read only. Very first example, here John Milton's Samson Agonistes, which means in Greek Samson the champion or Samson the athlete. It was published with the Paradise Regained in 1971. Samson Agonistes is taken from the Old Testament. Another one we have is the Byron's Manfred. It is subtitled as a dramatic poem. Byron called it a metaphysical drama. Its epigraph is taken from Shakespeare's work Hamlet, where Rosencrantz is saying to Horatio that there are more things in heaven and earth than we dream in our philosophies. Another one we have Shelley's Prometheus Unbound, which is published in the 1920. This work is about the Greek mythological figure Prometheus, who defies the god and gives the fire to the humanity. Then we have Thomas Hardy's Dynastus, which is described by Hardy as an epic work of war with Napoleon. And it is supposed to be one of the longest work in English drama, as it has 19 acts and 130 scenes. So these are some of the closet dramas example I have given to you. So here I make sure that I help you to cover all the important aspect of this exam, all the important topics and concepts. And all you have to do is like the video so YouTube can refer and recommend this video to more and more UGC NET English aspirant, and we can build this community of English literature students who want to qualify their NET in a very first go with the relevant information. Thanks for watching.